Ayan. So, of course, we are proud to share with you yung mga na-harvest ng aming Kuya Angelo Ray Alistair G. Dalisay. So, first place po siya sa Best Science TikTok Trivia from grade 3 level during their School Science Fair 2023. Another first place in Science Poster Making Contest, grade 3 level during their School Science Fair pa rin. And eto, second placer in storytelling category during their English week. Okay, yan. And of course, yung isa sa mga pinagpaguran talaga ni Kuya Angelo, ang award niya, Academic Excellence Award with honors for the school year 2023-2024. So, yung award na yon is from his advisor, Ma'am Christina Cruz. And ito naman ay galing sa school during the recognition with honors from grade 3 Nara. And ito syempre galing kay Mayor. Thank you, Mayor. Sa certificate. Yan, with honors pa rin. And of course, ang pinaka-last na nagustuhan po namin talaga na napakahirap talagang i-attain or i-achieve ang Perfect Attendance Award. Ayan, Angelo Ray Alistair G. Dalisay. Complete attendance starting from day 1 up to up to the last day. And of course, thank you sa pinaka holder from Mayor, ang certificate holder. Yan. Yay! Thank you so much. Congratulations, Kuya Angelo. Good job, bebeng.